Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of architecture and exploring the top 10 buildings in Ethiopia. Get ready for some amazing architectural wonders. At number 10 on our list is the Ethiopian Trade Ministry building, an architectural masterpiece with a unique design that's sure to grab your attention. Next up at number 9 is the impressive Coca-Cola headquarters in Addis Ababa. This building is a shining example of modern architecture and is definitely worth checking out. At number 8, we have the St. Joseph Hospital in Addis Ababa. Although it was built during a difficult time in Ethiopian history, this hospital serves as a beacon of hope and excellence in healthcare. Coming in at number 7 is the stunning Gurara Hotel in Addis Ababa. With its contemporary design and comfortable rooms, this hotel is the perfect place to stay while exploring Ethiopia's capital city. Moving on to number 6, we have the beautiful Addis Ababa University campus, where students can study surrounded by beautiful architecture and lush green spaces. This campus truly embodies the spirit of higher education. At number 5 on our list is the Meskel Square complex in Addis Ababa. Built to resemble Africa, this complex features an interesting facade that's sure to catch your eye. And finally, at number 4 on our list of top 10 buildings in Ethiopia, we have the impressive Bole International Airport Terminal, which is currently under construction, but set to be completed soon. Once completed, it will be one of the most impressive buildings in Africa and will greatly improve air travel for Ethiopians. Check out these pictures and videos for more information. What do you think about our list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more exciting content from around the globe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.